This question is given that a cylinder of height 1 meter is filled with water. If the small orifice is made at the height of 0.25 meter from the ground, the horizontal range of water stream is given by. The equation for this horizontal range is equal to 2 into under root of h into y, or we can take it as it is nothing but 2 into under root of h into h minus h. So this distance is taken as nothing but small letter h, and this distance we are taking it as nothing but y. So we can write this is equal to 2 into under root of h is nothing but 1.1 minus 0.25, which is equal to 0.75, into y, which is 0.25. So we can write this is equal to nothing but 2 into under root of 0.75 can be written as 3 by 4, and 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. So this is 2 into under root of 3 divided by 16, or you can write this is 2 by 4 into root 3, or you can write this is equal to root 3 divided by 2, which is equal to root 3. We know that 1.73 divided by 2, so they will get us around 0.86. We're doing the calculation in SI system, so that much meter, or we can take it as 86.6 centimeter.